Hi, my name is Chuck. I'm the chef and the owner of Thai restaurant and health kitchen called Valla Table. Welcome to my home. As you walk into my apartment, on the left side here, I have my mom's picture to welcome me home after a long day from work. I've been raised by my mom. She was a single mom and she passed away almost 10 years ago. So I have all of these ladies statue here. So I want to make sure that mom, she's live in peace in heaven with all the ladies. And then I have this little statue of Saint Anthony that I got from Portugal, Lisbon. Usually you see Saint Anthony holds baby Jesus only, but this one special. Baby Jesus hold a small fish. In Asian culture, fish actually means you always have food at home, you will always have food to eat all year round. So this is kind of like a small charm for me, for my apartment. I don't drink much of hard liquor, so this is mainly for my guests who come visit me in my apartment. So I have like every option for them, literally like gin, I have vodka, whiskey, and then if they want to make their own cocktail, I have all of these tools and then all the glasses here for them to enjoy, And then on top on the wall right here, I have Cooper. He's my baby, so I finally got a dog. And as you can see, if you walk to this area, this is where he has dinner. Cooper? Oh, he's right here. As a chef, you might think that oh, this is where I cook a lot. Yeah, I don't usually cook for myself at home. So I usually cook food for Cooper here. I don't cook at home because I own the restaurant. Mostly I eat my meal at the restaurant and come home and cook for Cooper at home.
What does Cooper eat?
So usually his meal will be like ground pork with the sweet potato, carrot, cauliflower, broccoli, and then I add some jasmine rice and some brown rice for him. That's what I cook for him every day. I like this area a lot because this is where I actually hang out with my friends, especially on Friday night or sometimes we have brunch in this area. So this is where I talk to my friend from behind the kitchen and my friend will gather around here.
So you say you don't cook at home, but do you cook for your friends when they come over?
Well, you know what? I actually order food from my restaurant. Because why do the main reason I don't want to cook at home because I don't want Cooper to actually come around and he'll be begging for the food or I feel bad for Cooper to eat at home, that's why. But then when I have friends over, yeah, I usually order food from, I own the best Thai food in Hell's Kitchen. Why wouldn't I order the food from there for my friend, Speaking of the best Thai food in Hell's Kitchen, this is the menu at my restaurant. You'll see all of these beautiful pictures. I know that a lot of restaurants tend to use a small word to describe their food, but then believe me, you don't understand how the food prepared. So you need the picture to see what you're gonna get, That's why I designed my menu to be all of this beautiful picture and description, very clear that you will get on your table when you order from my restaurant. It's like a piece of art, right? So this whole space is actually open kitchen. When I have friends over and have a little pre-game before we go out, I will spend more time on this kitchen area. But then whenever we have an actual dinner, we would use this dining area to entertain my guests, my friends. I didn't actually have that much choices because when I moved into this apartment, it was during the pandemic. Everything was so slow. So I just ordered whatever that available and ready to ship. So this is how I ended up getting my dining table. But then they're actually pretty nice. It's come with 6 chairs, but then like, I feel like if I put all the chairs here together, it will make the space too busy. That's why I order a separate bench so we can look and then you see more space here. It looks spacious. People who sit on this side, they can use the bench, and then I store the chairs here just 2, and then I keep them away in my bedroom. And then another 2 chairs that I put it away. I put it on the other side right here, which is like, I would call this like this like a tea corner. So, you know, sometime I would just like come here making tea and, you know, enjoy my tea or coffee here in these areas. You see, like I have 2 chairs here that's actually from the dining table. You know, when I first moved into this apartment, in my head, I think that I'm like more like a cool guy. So I want to have my apartment decorated like black and white, you know, like very New York. But then a few months later, after all of my artworks and my furniture came in, I found myself that I'm like so colorful. And you can see, look at all of this stuff in my apartment, like my artwork, my pillows, my tablecloth, everything is so colorful. This will be my living area right here. So you can actually sit here on my couch and look outside the window to entire Midtown Manhattan view. My couch is actually really comfortable. When I have guests, it will be for my guests to sit and they feel more comfortable. And I will sit on this little chair right here. And you see this sardine fish in this bowl. There's a story that when I went to Lisbon for the first time, I got 5 fish to actually hang on the wall. You know, Asian house, you have the fish on the wall. That means like you have money, you have like wealth all the time. But then when I look at the book, like how many fish should I supposed to put on the wall? They said 5 is a bad number. So I actually tried to order online for 3 more so I get like the good numbers, which is number 8. But they don't have any places that offer the same style. So the second time I went to Portugal, that was my mission. I went to hunt for the same kind of fish and brought it back 3 more so that I have 8 fish that I put here. You know, this is like something that I really like it to be in my living area. I got lucky that I have a green thumb, which is passed on from my mother for sure. Because back in Thailand, me and my mom, we would help each other doing the garden. My mom, whatever she put into the soil is thriving beautifully. So I got that from her. So I got so lucky that whatever I put in the soil, it's actually thriving and it's beautiful. So you can see the Thai chili here. It's even like blooming and have like chili all over. And I actually have a few plants here that is edible. Like I have one Thai holy basil here. I have kaffir limes that you can actually add this to add the aromatic into like tom yum soup. And the corner right here, I have this more like altar for me because like I put my Buddha statue that I brought from Thailand. I have Ganesh, you know. As you can see, I'm quite spiritual. So this is where like every morning before I go to work, I will come here and spend some time to do meditation. So that will make my day even like better and more energy to go to work. So this is my bedroom. I have the painting of the cloudy and blue sky in the wall because back in Thailand, I have this memory when I was a child that I sleep in the house and it was like storm outside. It really comfort me, it make me sleep really deep. So that's why I have that paint on the wall. And everything else is kind of simple here because, you know, like this is where I sleep at night. I don't want to make it too a distraction. But one thing about my bedroom that I really have to show you guys is right here. This is the reason why I chose this apartment when I first see it. As you can see to the left, that's Central Park right there. And this entire view in front of me is Manhattan Midtown. And then on the right side, That is Empire State Building, where I come sit in the chairs and look at the color of the lights because they actually change the light occasionally. Like right now, I think it's green and red because it's almost Christmas time. Surprisingly, I actually never close my curtain down when I sleep at night because the view of the lights outside is so stunning and it reminds me of how lucky I am to be living in New York City.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more future home tours.